Let's make coconut macaroons. In my previous video, I mentioned that when you have a recipe that only uses egg yolks to save your egg whites, so in here we have 4 egg whites. When you make coconut macaroons, you can either use granulated sugar or you can use condensed milk. When you use condensed milk, it's easier to form the ball and they don't break apart that easy. The macaroon also comes out more dense and probably more chewy. When you use sugar, the macaroon is it's lighter and it's more finicky to work with. So I have 2 cookie scoops. This is 1 tablespoon and this is 2 tablespoons. Whichever you have is fine. You need 1/2 teaspoon of the almond extract. Almond extract can taste too intense to some people. If it's too intense for you, just use 1/4 teaspoon. And the coconut extract is optional. Just use about 1/4 teaspoon. By the way, make sure that your oven is preheating at 325. Okay, so get your cookie sheet and make sure that you place some parchment paper on top, or you can also use a silicone mat. I mentioned before that these are very finicky because they're not being held in place by the condensed milk. So what helps to form them is to take a spoon and just press it a little bit with the spoon. Bake these for 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges and the top have some brown, like a golden brown.